bounced back really reversal. Tesla, I did actually trade on Tesla as well. Tesla also had a very nice, here's my Tesla. So I did trade Tesla as well, had a very nice open, and then it came back and I tried to catch a long on it below the VWAP and I got it stopped out, but eventually it really came back up. And I saw it coming back up. I really saw this move and I was ready to take it. But again, because I was really profitable today, and I said, you know what, that's enough. I don't really want to, like, I had a pretty good day, like almost $16,000. So I don't want to really make any mess with it. So that's why I was just okay. Oh, that's weird. My time is my computer time is 6:31, but the market is still closed. How come my computer is not sync? That's weird. Brian effect. I know. Yeah. So my computer is 6:32. How does that? Isn't it automatic? Digital board. I have to set my digital computer. All right. So 1 minute to open. A few seconds to open. Ding ding ding. Let's see where the Tesla is. The volume. See the atlas of Tesla. Ooh, sell off. Let's get some Benzinga news as well. Tesla has big orders to 400. PLTR is strong. PLTR is 150s. Considering PLTR for 1 minute range breakout. Getting a long on PLTR, 149.22. See if you can get the break of 150. I'm long PLTR, 1 minute opening range breakout for the breakup 150. My CPU is good, my computer is not lagging. So 150 is a big order. R3 is at 150.84. All right, so my hotkeys are working. Is that the right account? Yes. All right, so we did this 150 breakout. Let's see if we can get a follow through. We did pop up. Tesla is getting up. Coin. Yeah, PLTR is on the daily ranges, breakout very nicely. I'm still long on it. I haven't partialed. I want to see if you can get a clear breakout. 151 on market atlas is obviously a very big order, but it's struggling right now. Tesla turned out to be a really nice squeeze. Should have maybe stay in Tesla. Wow, Tesla is great toward 400. Nvidia is popping up as well. I like Tesla more than Nvidia. Tesla is up 2.4%. Tesla would have been a nicer squeeze. Let's see if in PLTR, I'm very hopeful that we can get to nice breakouts fighting now. PLTR obviously is a defense company, so the war is good for PLTR, so there is a case for it. 150.39, I'm partialing some here. Fuck, I have 9,000 shares? Oh. Oh, I'm selling some. I have a big size. This is a new computer, so Qs are ripping as well. TQQ. Nice. Let's see if PLTR can get to 151. Obviously, we have a big order on fast 151. 1 minute more, we get a 5-minute range breakout. It's struggling, obviously, at the top. Tesla was really good. Tesla was a great breakout. I should have been in Tesla. Still has, okay, there you go. PLTR 151. Amazing, guys. Market Atlas is really helpful. That's my CPU usage. CPU usage is at 20%, 10%, good. Nice. Good computers. Nice. Oh, NVIDIA is great too. Wow, buy the dip. Oh, 151, amazing, guys. Amazing. All right, now life is much better. Good. Nice, beautiful. Tesla 1404. Beautiful. PLTR, I'm gonna sell 1,000 share at 152. I'm gonna put an order. You're gonna see that order in Atlas. Let's see, 152. SPY is dropping. NVIDIA is coming back. Tesla. Tesla is doing a pullback as well. PLTR, big order at 152. I really want to get that. I think a little more on PLTR here, 150, 147. I bring my average to 150. The SPY is rolling over. Nice. I think the problem was Brian. If the Brian is not in the room, we can trade really nice. All right, SPY is rolling over. PLTR is still strong. PLTR 152, the order is still up there. I have my order up there. Tesla is doing a pullback. Considering going long Tesla. Let's see what TSLL is doing. I have 2,000 shares of PLTR, so not a big position, so I can handle it. Tesla could be. See what Tesla is doing a pullback. Hood is running, huh? Guys are trading Hood in the chat. Hood is breaking out. Yeah, it's pulling back to the VWAP, yeah. PLTR wants 152, and I'm glad that we're gonna get it. Come on, PLTR, 152, fill my order. Benzinga doesn't say anything. Microsoft was amazing. I should have sold some puts on Microsoft. We discussed yesterday, just ripped. It was great money on the table we left. Did anyone sold puts on Microsoft? We discussed Microsoft. It's a great opportunity when you see a solid company selling off like that. It's a great opportunity to make money selling puts on it. It doesn't happen very often. Nice. My CPU is pretty good now. I was looking at it. It's 10%. Yeah, that computer was old, man. That computer was 16 years old. Now everything is just moved so fast paced, and my Atlas is fast paced because it has more memory. PLTR 152, I have order, guys. See, look at the Atlas at 142. I don't have the screenshot for the platform light shot. Let me download this for Windows. This is a new computer, so let me download the screenshot platform as well. All right, the market is going toward red soon. Hotkey, I want the... Perfect, that's a great screenshot. So 152, we already had one bounce. Let's see if we can get to 152. All right, so market is struggling a little bit at the top. SPY is going to go red. SPY, QQQQ. Qs are still green. What about IWM? What's IWM doing? Microsoft is setting off. Google is down. Tesla is interesting. Tesla is at the VWAP. If the market shows some strength, we're gonna go on. Nice, great trade on PLTR. We had another $10,000 trader in a funded account yesterday. Funded account. The $10,000. So his name was. I'm gonna find it to you. We're gonna actually release today a leaderboard. You can see all the people in real time, their trades and their payouts, and their journal. So Francisco Cordoso got $10,000 yesterday. So here, that's he sent the payment. Francisco Cordoso, $10,000. Congratulations. That's another $10,000 traders. Well done. I'm actually very proud of the program that we built. People are making money. All right, let's see if PLTR can hold the VWAP. Tesla. I wouldn't mind going long some Tesla here, $399. See if we can get a bounce. PLTR is bouncing back. I'm adding a little bit more on PLTR as well. Asia was really bad. What happened to Asia? Korea, I know yesterday was really brutal. What's the ETF for Asia market? Korea market. Yeah, why Korean market ranked? Oil prices. Yeah, I know. Is there an index that we can see like Shanghai or Korea here? I think there's an ETF here. I don't remember though. K-Web? CraneShare? What is CraneShare? It's a China Internet ETF, huh? AAXJ? That's Japan, huh? Well, that's not bad. Oh yeah, gap down. EWY. Yeah, that's the South Korea EWY. Yeah. I guess they have a lot of exposure to the Iran and the Middle East market. Like Iran is working a lot with China and Asia, so their economy is really isolated from Western economy, but the impacts there. All the money laundering is happening in Asia. I guess. Yeah, they get energy from Middle East as well. All right, let's see if PLTR holds above the VWAP. But it's surprising that actually the Western economies are so isolated from, which is good. It shows the resiliency of the Western economies. That even the Russia war in Ukraine didn't impact the market that much, U.S. financial markets. Just shows how resilient are the companies. All right, Tesla is popping up, PLTR is popping up. I'm long both Tesla and PLTR. Yeah, I'm long Tesla still. It's popping up to 400. I don't know where to get out of Tesla though. I don't have much of a plan for exit. That was a good pop. There's still big order at 403, but 403 is the high of the day. I don't know. It looks struggling right now. I'm getting out of my Tesla position. I'm not really. I'm all out of Tesla. I'm just sticking to my PLTR because I have a better trade management system. SPY's coming back. NVIDIA, oh yeah, NVIDIA is squeezing. NVIDIA is pretty nice. Let me see. Oh yeah, NVIDIA is really nice. That was a great entry. 183 is a big order. What's the daily chart look like? Yeah, it's ripping. Should I go in there? I mean, I'm pretty good, but I don't know. Let's get out of I'm getting out of my PLTR position. I had a really good win on PLTR because let me cancel my order as well. I had a pretty good day on PLTR, very big win. Tesla, I got out of it. PLTR I'm out, NVIDIA I'm out. Like, I'll wait a little bit. I had a really good win on it. Yeah, my ads didn't work out, unfortunately, but it did hit 152, but I didn't get filled. I had the order at 152, but unfortunately I didn't get filled. High of the day is right exactly NVIDIA wants to go to 183. Yeah. NVIDIA wants to go to 183. Yeah, that was a good entry too. That pullback was a good entry. Tesla. SPY is trying to come back up. Amazon break of higher today. Who is going to do what? Okay, PLTR rejected that. All right, so now market seems that it's slowly rolling over. I'm looking at Tesla getting long. But maybe not. Just, I had a really good day on PLTR. Let's wait on it. Amazon rejected, NVIDIA rejected. Yeah, let's wait a little bit. Did anyone took PLTR long with me? Nice, guys. Food is popping up nice. All right, Vincent. Oh, the PLTR is coming back up. I don't know. I'm tempted to go back long on PLTR. What do you think, guys? Hell yeah, I'm going to take another long on PLTR with 5120. Let's see if we can go for the break of high of today. 152. I might ruin the nice day that we have, but let's see. NVIDIA is gave a nice pullback. See if that 152 over there is still on Atlas is there. That would be really nice if you can get to 152 on the second trade. Oh, it's keeping making it home actually. Oh, here we go. Who do I have today? Let's put some back order there. 152. Oh man, a better CPU is way better. I like that. What was that? My whole experience of trading is different. The ass is fast. Such a better experience. Carlos is trading VCIG, that penny stock. Oh, we gotta be careful about these volatile penny stocks. My fiber connection is pretty fast. Let's see what's my ping in. My ping is right now in DAS is 80 milliseconds. So my network delay is at 80 milliseconds. That's as good as you can get in West Coast. If you're in New Jersey, it's gonna be probably 30, 20 milliseconds if you're very close. Man, my CPU Abil was from 2010 model.
چه مرگی تو مادر چیه؟
Peter, you're 60 millisecond, 22. Wow, nice. Yeah, so East Coast would be, East Coast would be faster. I mean, I think the NASDAQ servers and DAS, they're all co-located in New Jersey. So, I mean, you're closer to that. It's pretty good. Like I traded up to 200 milliseconds from Europe as well. Yeah, you can't do anything, unfortunately. But it's good. It's still 200, 300 milliseconds is still really good. Amazon. Ooh, Amazon is ripping, Brian. Oh, nice. Break of high of the day. Nice. Is Gary in the chat room? Yeah, it will be better in Toronto. Gary, what's the pen that you're using for drawing in the screen? I saw that you're using something very interesting. I don't have it in this new computer. I need to install it. The software that you're using for drawing on a screen. Screen marker and recorder. Yeah, I used to have Epic Pen, but I want to see if there's anything better. Let's get it. Let's see if PLTR can give us 152. All right, we're gonna go to 152. I added a little bit more on PLTR. All right. What is this? Let's see if we can get to 152. Here we go. It is 152. I have orders, guys. Come on, this time fill me, Mr. PLTR. All right. Oh, the color would be green. Yeah, so 152. Atlas is here. I like that. Oh, I like that, different colors. How do I delete it? 152. Oh, this is the date. Oh, nice. I like that. Thank you. All right, so let's play around with it. I have some orders, guys, at 152. Atlas is 152. I hope that he's gonna break out toward that. The color would be yellow. What do I think about that? Tesla is really rolled over, huh? Yeah. You have no idea what I do, Hector. Sometimes I answer emails, sometimes talk to my mom, sometimes chatting with my team. I do everything. Come on, 152 PLTR. I have more. This is the second time. You gotta give me that. Clear, Control Shift Delete, huh? Oh, there you go. I got filled. How do I get back to my? All right, I got filled 152, guys, and now I'll see get ordered 153. I'm gonna take a screenshot as well here. Lovely. News coming in 1 minute. What's the news? Train terminal has it. I have the Benzinga on as well. PMI, huh? PMI is high impact. Yeah, ISM non-manufacturing prices in 10 seconds. Michelangelo, good morning. So we did a really nice breakout on PLTR at the open. It's still long on PLTR. Oh, there you go, popped up. Let me partial more here. I have 5,000 shares. Let me sell more here. 153. So the numbers came. US dollar is not changing much. SPY is popping up. Still 153 is the order on Atlas. Ooh, SPY is popping up. I'm gonna sell some at 152.50 and 153. Nvidia is coming back up. Tesla is also coming back up. Tesla might be a long. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, Tesla could be a good long. Shit, it popped up already. Tesla is really getting volume, but I'm good. I'm not gonna take a trade because I have a really good trade on PLTR. I'm up tens of thousands. So, but Tesla looks like it's a really good move. All right, SPY's popping up. Coin is up. Yeah, Bitcoin is recovering 72,000. Wow. PLTR R4 is at 152.79. So I'm very bullish on PLTR. Not getting in now, but there was a pretty good 2 trades that we had on it. Let's see, 52.50. SOXL. Dira, the reason for that I don't have the Bitcoin is, well, first of all, I do have Bitcoin. So through my VOO position, obviously, so when you're holding VOO, you can see my account. So SPY has, I think MicroStrategy used to be part of S&P. Coin is. So there are some companies that have exposure to Bitcoin in there. So, you essentially want to diversify. So it's already diversified for me in S&P 500. And Bitcoin it seems like a risk-on asset correlated with a lot of other assets. There's no way that stock market is going down and Bitcoin just keep going up. Originally it was supposed to be like that, but it's not a hedge anymore. So it's another asset, another volatile risk speculative asset. So you already have that. And it's just, it doesn't matter for me really anymore. Like having a Bitcoin to beat them, but honestly, for me, making money hasn't really what am I trying to do with another 2% in my account? It doesn't make any difference in my life. So the peace of mind, I like the peace of mind of diversified ETF. All right, so now the market is dropping a little bit. Let's see if I can get a stop out of the break even. 150, 122. It looks like it. All right, I'm getting out of PLTR. I'm all out of PLTR, guys. Now futures, ESNNQ. Lovely. What's NVIDIA doing? Head and shoulder. Yeah, NVIDIA seems like it's stuck in a range. Tesla was disappointing. I tried to catch a good trade on Tesla, but didn't do it. All right, let's see what the what CPU is doing. CPU is doing pretty good. Ah, man, look at my CPU usage. Jesus, what was that over 100%? That computer is gonna go to garbage right now. SPY. Q's. IWM is still green. Ah, shit, PLTR is going back up bastard. As soon as I got out of it.
Bastard.
Yeah, PLTR looks like it wants to go. Like now we have this order at 151 short term. Long term, we still have some orders up there, but R4 is at 152.71. So I'm good. I got a good scalp on PLTR. But that's the whole point, you know, just getting a good scalp and just let the. So what was that? Carlos is trading something really volatile over there. Which one was that? CI something? VCIG. VCIG. Oh, the video maker. This is called the video maker. It just. What's happening? The energy. CRCL. CRCL was this was a treasury. This was what was this one? I remember that we traded this one in the past. CRCL. This is a recent IPO. It was like a Bitcoin treasury or something. BE Energy, Bloom Energy. Bloom Energy is popping up. What did Tesla do? Tesla is coming back up, huh? Yeah. Tesla, they have some orders 403, 404, 405. That's a great trade that opened, Tesla. NVIDIA is also coming back up. Market is trying to go back up higher. Again, I'm good for the day, but might have taken NVIDIA long now. I'm not taking a trade, but it looks like NVIDIA could be. something that repair NVIDIA. Yeah, the orders at 182.20. They're range bound, but it seems like a nice PE. Nice Glenn. I love it. Yeah, SPY. Let's see what the futures are doing. Yes is bullish. There's some big orders up there at 68.60. PLTR is going up and is going up. I think PLTR is going to break the 152.50. Again, I sold everything, but it looks like PLTR is going to go toward the 153 order that we had up there. Carlos is long NVIDIA, nice. Alright, good day guys, good day. Without Brian, it's good. I think the problem was Brian losing money. If Brian is not here, we can make money. I don't know, I'm just joking. No, I miss Brian. I miss Brian. He's a good man. He's a good man. He did his best. He did his best. Microsoft is holding 404. NVIDIA is going out. Did anyone took NVIDIA long? NVIDIA was like, I kind of knew NVIDIA is going to go. NVIDIA looks like it wants to go higher. I took the, nice. Yeah, it's ripping. So interesting. So Asia is getting destroyed, the financial markets. US is strong. So they're paying the price of supporting Iran, huh? That's interesting. The history is being written. Who'd Hood is up. Robin Hood. Time money flows back into retail trading and crypto, huh? Bitcoin is at 72. NVIDIA broke almost the high of the day. What did AMD do? AMD was nice too. NVIDIA is breaking 183. Yeah, SPY broke the high of the day. Futures, Nasdaq is very strong and Q is very strong. Yeah. NVIDIA has a clear path to 183. I don't want to take that trade anymore. Oh, Carlos is long. Nice. Nice, Carlos. Yeah, Janine, Asian markets are getting beaten up. I think EWY was, this is the South Korea index, which got really bad hit. Any question, guys, about the trade? Oh, somebody's asking. Yeah, Gary, if you want to join, yeah, for sure. Oh, so there's a background noise coming from my thing. It might be my microphone. Let me see my microphone. I'm also typing, so this is the microphone. The typing is the quality of the sound is okay, because I changed completely the new setup. Sound clear. My keyboard is loud, because sometimes I answer emails and stuff and talk to my team, so I know it's tak 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 tak. I have to get one of these. Yeah, we're gonna go to Egypt. We had this discussion about the Egypt. There's only one person that felt uncomfortable that she wanted to cancel, and that's fine. Egypt is those areas are far from any range of missiles and any activity. Iran doesn't have any presence in Egypt. There's just normal travel advisory in Egypt in those regions, and the flights are going in and out. And it's 3 weeks from now, so I think by 3 weeks, either US or Iran they run out of ammunition the way that they're hitting each other. So I hope that in 3 weeks, you know, they go back to the normal back arrow and go to rock. So we decided to go. I mean, my mom is not getting out of Iran, so that's an issue. My mom is stuck in Iran, so but I think we're going. Gary, how are you doing? Did you make money?
Yeah, I made good money today.
Nice. What
Yeah,
did you trade?
I traded Nvidia, I traded SPY, Nvidia, it's going to 685. Once we
Gary,
held
this,
on,
your sound is not as usual. You get a lot of ambient sound. You have to
hold on.
be either is catching the wrong microphone. You have to be very close to your microphone. It's not as clear. Tesla is briefing higher.
We should get 685 on SPY.
685 SPY. Yeah, as the futures are going up.
We should get 185 on Nvidia. So Nvidia, I took the long, but I took an options trade because I was more convinced. I will show you. As we held here on the retracement on the 61.8 fib and finished the fair value gap here. So one touch, I went long here with below this is my stop loss, touched here, I added more. got my first partial out here somewhere. This area where it stopped here, I wanted a clean breakout. Got second partial, added back at the recheck, and then got stopped out under rewrap. So what does that look like?
Nice.
NVIDIA,
And you're using the Fibonacci levels as well, yeah?
yeah.
Nice. All right. Well
It's
done.
just, and when the Fibonacci works, I prefer executing it in the options. So what is going on? And from an open interest perspective, I think we're in a good spot for 185 on NVIDIA. Now that this held, I mean, 184 should come. From this perspective, 180 is lit. So if we start buying here, 185 is a possibility, which might get rejected. Might take whole day for a $5 move. On this, on SPY, I was telling my mentees 680 might be the wall. It's lit, and when you start buying, I'm just saying 685, but there's really 685. Maybe we get 690 is too far.
Yeah.
685 is what I would target.
Nice.
The thing with 685 on the SPY is, oh, we're almost at 685. My bad.
Nice. Yeah, it's almost there. I
Oh,
have a question. So Ahmed is asking a question about the Atlas. So the Atlas is Gary. While I'm answering this question, see if you can actually fix the microphone because you're always clear. Today is seems that
well, it's still not clear.
it's no. It seems like that catching. You know, a little like a hollow,
Oh,
like
I
it's either
switched to my
catching the wrong
headphones. Hold on.
microphone or
Let me
yeah.
check.
Okay, but let me answer that question, Ahmad. So the Atlas is a visualization tool that disaggregate over helps you to get better access. So for futures, like if you have access to ES and NQ, keep it at 25 cents. So they do it based on 25 cents. For other stocks, I usually keep it at around 10 cents. But as you zoom out, sometimes the 10 cents might not be visually good. So if you zoom out, it adjusts it for you automatically. But I usually, for higher prices stocks, I do keep it at 10 or 5 cents to get a better visualization. But it doesn't change. This is just the visualization. It really doesn't change any reality of the numbers. It's just how it shows you in there. Like it's like a contrast of zoom in and out of a picture. The picture is still the same. So what is the visual is better for you? And sometimes there is a limit on it. When you zoom out, you just set it for yourself. But if you don't like it, you can always go back to that setting that you had. So, for me right now, what I want to see is the only thing that is important is that Nvidia had this big order at 183. So, and that's it. So there's no right or wrong answer. And also another thing is that one is saying that we are both sharing a screen, both Gary and I. So what you can do is you can switch between the screens that you want. So if you like Gary's screen, you can switch to Gary's screen. The inside configuration, that's the inside configuration again. Also, Ahmad, it depends on really, what you want. I had the lower cutoff to 0 and the upper cutoff to 100%. But you can really change it to see what visually you like it. But again, there is no right or wrong in that. So it's just, what you want. What I'm looking for is very simple. These huge orders that compared to the others are, showing these big moves. And again, there is no right or wrong. It's not like an indicator that if you change the numbers, the calculations become changing. It's just a visualization. See what's visually good for you. And of course, for ES and NQ, if you have access, it's got to be different because, 25 cents are usually the ones that the contracts are set up.
How about now? Is this better, Andrew?
No, it's the same. It's not that bad. Don't worry about it too much. But
I'm
maybe,
gonna log out and log in. Let's see if that
yeah.
helps.
Right. His room is hollow. Yeah, maybe it's PLTR is you rip toward the 153. Yes, Tesla is also ripping like a boss. So it turned out to be a great day after that, actually. Um, IWM is ripping, small caps are ripping. Microsoft, PLTR, oh, beautiful.
Alright, how about
It's way worse.
worse?
It's okay. Don't worry about it. No, don't worry about it. Just do it. That's okay. Well, we can fix it later. Yeah, we don't have a lot of time. All right, great trading day for me. I'm glad that Gary, you also had a good day.
Yeah, where's NVIDIA now? Andrew, I did have a question for you.
Yes, sir.
So let's say, what did you trade today? PLTR? No, let's just take NVIDIA for an example. So,
PLTR. Yeah, I took the PLTR.
okay, you took the PLTR trade. Did you just, but you traded it once, so that's not a
No,
good
I did trade
example.
it twice actually.
Okay, so did the second time, did you take a higher share count?
No, it was 5,000 shares. Yeah, the second time was 5,000. I think it was pretty much the same. Yeah.
Okay, because sometimes you tend to size up after, you enter,
Yeah.
maybe you partial or you break even or you take a loss and then you enter again. And sometimes what I've noticed is you size up, and that's based on higher conviction, probably not 1 minute but 5 minute. But do you have any criteria for like what sizes is it gonna be? If it's 5,000 for the first lot, the second time around, are you doing like 7,000 or are you doing like 10,000?
No, I
Just
don't. Like I do is a gut, it's completely gut feeling, and that's one of the biggest problem of my system is that I don't have a system for tier one, tier two, tier three, like the way that Paris has, and that's
right.
I think that's one of the worst things about me is that for my position sizing, I'm not really a tier based, so it's a lot of gut feeling. But generally, if I go full size on PLTR and the second trade, I go full size, and my full size is maximum like 1 million or 2 million, probably $2 million buying power maximum of the trade that I would never go like $5 million worth of buying power in one single trade. But it's good to have a system. I think you're good. I think Paris has a really good system. So the
Yeah.
system is, you have several convention like tier one, tier two, and tier three, and then you make so the tier three is a good number to have three
So
tiers.
there is a webinar I did. It's called Understanding Expected Value. If you're a BBT Elite member, you can watch it. And I do speak about this, how to create this system of different sizes. But that's only for advanced traders. If you're a beginner trader, I think fixed risk is the way to go.
That's great. Yeah, I think Peter also has another webinar. So there's some information that you can do that, and that's one of the biggest I think issues that I have is that I don't have a good education for share sizing, which is one of the most important elements of day trading. So um,
And the last question I have for you, Andrew, is why is it that every time I partial to add back, if the stock pulls back, the stock never pulls back, and every time I don't partial, the stock pulls back and stops me out?
it's the matrix. The matrix is messing around with you. It's the
So
matrix.
I'm watching this run on the SPY. I got out at
It's matrix. Look at the PLTR is ripping like crazy. Yeah, man, I missed the whole
I
move on
longed
PLTR.
here, got stopped out. I went long again and got all out at 684, thinking we're
Nice.
gonna come back, do a double check with a green candle, and then launch to 685 because I was targeting 685. Maybe we get 687, but what's the gap fill on this? Ooh, we are beyond the gap fill. What about SPX? SPX also, we are almost at 68.80. Interesting. Man. Yes. Oh, I'm not scared. Where are we? Thanks, Kevin.
No, I'm not in PLTR, Michelangelo, unfortunately. I got out of it. Now the order is very clear toward 155. You see that, guys? It's really clear toward 155.
And
Yeah.
we have reached 183.43. That's a very good sign. 183.43. A was pre-market high, and B was also this consolidation high over here. So if we are breaking that, that should squeeze us up. But to mention, we already have this, right? And this is PDC right here. So this is the pull and then the hold, and we should get our targets. Just
Alrighty.
مادر جنده اینو گرفت.
Amazing trading day, guys. Really good. I hope that some of you guys got PLTR. It was really nice and solid day for me.
oh, nice dip, nice, nice. I'm just not happy with the 405 partial, especially after it broke out. But yeah, this is nice. And I'm just nitty picking here, but yeah. What else can we trade? I should just call it a day.
Yeah, I mean, if you made money, don't overtrade. Like, why are you trading
Yeah.
too much?
It's just that I'm probably on camera for the next 90 minutes, so I'm very unlikely I will not
I
end up
know
trading.
it's very dangerous. That's the problem of being in the. That's the
No,
problem of being in one. I'm so tempted to trade right now, but I don't want to really trade. Qs are gonna go all time high. Seriously,
all
and
time
that's the
high?
problem. Yeah. Sorry, go ahead.
No, all time high on Qs?
No, it's far from all time high, but it's pretty
Oh.
strong. Yeah.
Can understand. 680, 630, you get a pullback. Oh, Carlos took this entry, the 1008 entry, I'm sure. This is Carlos' classic bread and butter play. This VWAP break and bounce.
All right. Any question, guys, about the trades? Anything about our system? or tools. Microsoft is doing nothing. Yeah, Sami, that's true. That is why that you shouldn't. So Ahmad is asking if you just keep going higher in the size, you're gonna just keep getting a bigger loss. So that is like this gambler fallacy that if you go, there's one gambler approach is that you go to the roulette in the casino, which is almost 50%, and you bet $20. If you lose, next one $40, next one $80, next one. So eventually you come out break even on that, and that's a very dangerous strategy because you know these are independent probabilities. Like just because you lost last time doesn't increase your chance the next bet. Because they're independent events, so you got to be really careful on that. I think.
Yeah, that's martingale. That's what it is. And the way I say it is martingaling works. It absolutely works
Yeah.
until it does not, and you are completely broke.
I think there was even one record that I think it was in 1940 in one of the casinos in Las Vegas. There was like 1,000 time, I think, in Monte Carlo casino was that 1,000 times one caller came in the roulette in just one scene. So it's on Wikipedia.
Wow.
So
1,000
1,000 time, like 50, it's a 50-50, but 1,000 time back to back red. So if you would have been in there, like let me find it for you. Roulette casino caller record one caller. Let me find it quickly. Longest streak, 32 times, sorry, 32 times, which, gives the odds of 32 times, or, I mean, there are different numbers that you can find.
That's like 1:2 should be 5 million or something probability wise.
Yeah, the probability of that is just crazy. Like, let me ask ChatGPT, because I see different numbers.
One in 10 billion.
Yeah, 32 times in Monte Carlo in 1943 in the Casino de Monte Carlo. So, which is the probability is 1 in 4 billion. Yeah.
Crazy.
So again, you're gonna be careful what you're doing when you're adding up your share size.
Yeah, that's why I was saying it was martingale someone